Well, it's almost summer, which means it's time for a vacation. So I want to give away an amazing trip to Dubai in a game we're calling Hello, Dubai. Let me tell you what you're playing for. We're kicking off Emirates' big takeoff campaign. They're one of the world's most global airlines. When you fly with them, you can expect more from air travel and friendly service in all classes. So whoever gets their plane across the board first is going to win an amazing 7-night vacation from Emirates to Dubai and Cape Town, South Africa. And you'll also get $2,000 spending money. I flew Emirates to Dubai and to Cape Town, and it was the most amazing experience. It's a great airline. You're going to absolutely love it. Okay, I'm going to ask you some questions, and keep your hands behind your back. The first person who grabs this bottle of tequila and answers the question, their plane moves along. And ready? Hands behind your back. 77% of human resource managers say employees who use their vacation time are more productive. What's 7 plus 7?
14.
14. 41% of Americans didn't take any vacation days last year. What year was last year?
2015.
That's right. On average, Americans don't use 8 vacation days a year. How many days are in a week?
7.
Yes. Emirates flies daily from 10 U.S. cities to Dubai and beyond to over 150 global destinations. Spell Dubai.
D-U-B-A-I.
That's right.
Oh my God.
This is the last one.
Yes, a little bit closer.
All right. Emirates has over 2,500 channels of in-flight entertainment. What entertaining show are we shooting right now?
Ellen DeGeneres.
That's right. You are going to Dubai. Congratulations. We're getting round trip tickets to Dubai and South Africa. Stay right there. Thank you so much. So you can hang out back in your seat. That was awesome. That was amazing. Okay, I want to mention here, everybody at home has a chance to win. Going out. This is your pilot. Hi, how are you? There's your tickets. Stay right there. All right. So you really are a pilot.
I really am.
So, and I love Emirates is an amazing airline. All right, she's flying you. I want to mention everyone at home has a chance to win. Go to Emirates.com to enter. And Ashley is an official Emirates pilot, and she's going to help us host a bonus game. Here's how it works. So look at the screen right here, okay? Come on over here.
Okay.
All right, behind each one of these is a prize, and whichever one you pick, the entire audience is going to win. Now, I know you're excited, but there's all kinds of things that could happen. So you'll get caught up. All right, let's see what's behind number 1 first. All right, that's a $100 Emirates gift card. Number 2 is $250 Emirates gift card. Number 3 is a $500 Emirates gift card. Number 4 is $1,000 Emirates gift card. Number 5 is tickets to Dubai. It's obvious that you all want number 5, but let's see what happens is, you know, that Monty, that shell game where you switch things around? She has to remember.
No, you already started going.
Yeah. Which one?
Well, it started with 5. It went too fast. I have to go with 5.
All right. Let's go with 5.